as much as we love doing what we're doing, out on the road, traveling the country, USA and beyond, well, we done a lot of miles, a lot of miles. As of this trip, I think we have somewhere like 35,000 miles. And as we travel the country, a lot of questions come up. And, questions like, where you guys from, where you been, what you going to, and all that type. We used to. But there's one question that always kind of surprised us because I guess we've never thought people would ask us this.
Right.
And that question is, are you guys homeless? Are you homeless? How many days we been out on the road so far this trip?
So far on the road, let me check. We have been on the road 281 days.
So
Now,
200.
mind you, last year we done 367 days.
Yes.
So if you go back and watch the finale on that from that trip,
Yeah.
you'll see.
I'll plug it in at the end of this video.
Yeah.
You're gonna love the finale of that trip. I worked hard on it, so go watch it. But that question comes up, and it always shocks. It's not how it comes up. People they come to that sorry look like, you guys homeless?
Or as I said, so you're homeless.
Yes.
Um,
Yeah, they ask that question a lot. And so we love doing what we're doing,
right.
and we plan it, and we go out and do it. Not to mention, look, we riding.
We're doing it on a Goldwing
Better ask somebody.
Honda 1800.
So we're going to answer that question of, are we homeless? The question that we get a kind of surprised. I don't say we get it a lot, but it normally surprises when people ask us that.
Right.
So we're going to answer that in this video you're about to see now. So watch that entire video and then answer the question, whether we're homeless or not.
Are we homeless, baby?
They got to watch the video. They'll find the answer out.
Y'all got to watch the video. I tried to get it out of them.
But watch the entire video because we're going to talk about some things at the end of the video. So watch it, come back, and let's talk about us being homeless. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are, whatever time it is for you.
Good day.
Right. We are excited. Got some exciting news to share with you guys. Something we've been planning for several years now. Just never got around to it. I guess you can say that.
Yeah.
And finally.
It's finally happening.
Finally. So what's going on in our life today? Tell them what we're about to do.
We are about to go full time on our motorcycles.
Yes, full time.
You know, the last trip, the Rome in the USA trip that we did.
367 days.
367 days, over 41,000 miles.
Yeah.
And smiles. So this time we're going to be gone till we get tired of being out there.
Right.
So it's full time. And why is it full time?
Because we want to.
Because we want to. But it is full time because we have no place
To live anymore.
exactly to come back to.
So what's been going on with our life, you guys know we actually came back and we had to cancel some trips. And we've been thinking about this for a while.
Right.
And now that all our kids moved out, we don't want to go on the road and have to pay a mortgage in a place we're not living. And we love being out on the road. And we decided we want to do it full time. So we finally got the house sold. Didn't make a lot of money though. So,
No.
I mean, it is what it is. We finally got the house sold. And the greatest thing about it is, well, we had 2 deals that didn't go through.
Right.
And then the last couple bought it as is. So we don't have to do no staging, changing nothing, none of that. They buying it as is. And we truly believe they're going to do it as a rental, right?
Probably.
Yeah. So you might want to ask, okay, why didn't you guys rent it out? Been there, done that.
Don't want to do it again.
Don't want to have to deal with it from a distance, even though we probably had a rental company like in, we had 4 houses
Fayetteville.
in Fayetteville,
Yes.
North Carolina. We had 4 houses in North Carolina when we were young, been through the headache of renting and not being close to where what's going on. And we decided not to do that.
Yeah, although we had a management company to
Yes,
take
yes.
care of all of that, it was still a headache because they still had to go through us to make decisions.
Yes.
So it was like, okay, well, we're just let's get rid of all of that.
Well, something good came out of that. We made a little money out of those houses. And a good thing, it was by the Army base, right? So a lot of our tenants were military. So except one, but we don't want to talk about that. It's about where we go from here, where we're moving forward. It is just we're just excited about it. We're trying to remain calm now to contain it, but you can't sometimes.
Oh, I got the hiccups.
Do you? We can't contain our excitement. So what we got coming 2 days from now is a big dumpster for the things that we know we're not going to need, know we're going to use. We also rented a storage for the things, so when we finally decide, okay, if we come back, at least we have.
Or is
Some
there just in case the grown-up adult children
Yes, they're gonna have to keep.
want to take it, they could go in there and get it, whatever. Because right now they were undecided. If they want this, want that, just put it in storage. That's what they kept telling us. Just put it in storage. Okay, so once they clear out the storage, then we won't need it.
And we decided not to do a yard sale, so we donated some things. And we had a lot of bikes because we outside of the motorcycle. See that blue back there? We had a lot of bikes because we done a lot of bike riding throughout our life. So we decided to donate the bikes to, actually the bike shop. They're gonna fix them up and use the bike shop. But we got a big dumpster coming and it's gonna park it in our driveway. We'll show you that process. Our house is virtually empty. We still have some stuff in there that we actually got to dump out. Some stuff in our yard we got to dump out, and then when we hit the road. Today is the 7th July.
7th of July. Yeah.
As of 7th of July. So we got 1 week, actually 1 week before we actually hit the road and we full time. 1 week. Wow.
1 week, y'all.
Wow,
So
that's
who are we
amazing.
gonna see when we get out there? We don't know.
It's up to you guys. You know, we don't we want to catch up with a lot of people and meet a lot of people and just right now I can't contain it. Of course we're gonna do videos on our adventure, our voyage, our journey. But right now it's just I don't think we ever felt so elated, so happy.
Do a happy dance.
It ain't our house anymore. It's our second house that we actually owned prior to coming. And this is a pretty big house. We like it. What was the square footage on it?
36,
30,
40, something like that.
36, 40 square foot, which for some of you probably a small house. A nice sized yard, but we had great times in it. Just enjoyed it immensely. So it's kind of bittersweet. More sweet than bitter. I am telling you, this is the one that we've been looking to do for a long time. And nothing really stopped us. We just kept putting it off. And when we left on our long, we've been doing vacation for the past 10 years, going out 3 and 4 times a year. And then over the past 3 to 4 years, we've done one where we had 180 days, 160 days, 140 days. And obviously the longest one was
367 days.
So we just we'll let you guys know where are we now. Oh, we're gonna bring you some video when we dumping some junk in the trailer. Gonna put it, not the trailer, what is it, dumpster.
The dumpster.
It's supposed to be here 2 days, 2 or 1 day. I don't remember when it's coming. She booked it, and we just wanted to get rid of all the stuff at one shot. They won't go through a headache of a yard sale. We did put some stuff on the side for free, so people get for free, but nobody took it. Last time we were on the road, a couple people asked whether we were full time, and we said semi full time.
We will be next year. That's what we were saying. We kept.
Oh yes. I know Two Wheel Big Life had asked, and we were saying no, because I remember Chris saying, "You guys full time?" We're like, "Oh, semi, not quite."
For a year.
But so now we actually love it. We don't know how long we're going to be out. We actually gave ourselves a timeline of max 5 to 7 years. That's me or you?
You.
Man, let's see. Oh, that's our daughter. That's our daughter. Go on. I'm gonna go and handle this.
Grandchild birthday.
Hello. Happy birthday,
pretty princess. Happy birthday.
What you doing? Look at him.
Hey, Sasa.
Jealous, it's her birthday.
Hello.
Hey, pretty princess.
Pause this. Okay, our grandkid's birthday, so we had to take that.
Oh yes.
But we could wrap this up right now.
Be cool. I want to be cool.
Want to be cool, baby?
Cool. I want to be cool.
You all cute.
Bam.
So we're gonna wrap this up. We just want to give you guys an update of what we're doing. We're so excited. Want to come out there and meet a lot of people, have a great time. It's just one of those things that we really, really love doing. And you know, we call our bikers, but calling back. So we're gonna wrap it up right now. And when the dumpsters come, we're gonna get back to you guys. That's where we have our morning cup of coffee, y'all. Every morning after our morning walk. There go JetBlue right there. And watch this thing, it's kind of huge. Look at that. See, we had more junk in our house than we thought. Then of course, we're putting some stuff in storage because we have a screen printing business that we're gonna come back to. I'll probably sell the equipment, and we couldn't get it sold because we came home after a year on the road. Look at all this junk. Oh my goodness. Of course we could have had a yard sale, but we did not. Have a Big Easy right there. And we got a lot of stuff in the garage we gotta get rid of, so that's why our bike's parked outside for 3 days now. And all this leave tomorrow. We should be wrapping it up today. Cake inside taking a rest in the air conditioning because it's triple digit heat for the past 5 days, and it's gonna continue. Yep, we are still clearing out our yard. It's kind of empty now. Out of basketball court. And this was all play area where we had our furniture and all that stuff. Nice parties, night parties. Get this out of the dumpster, look from upstairs. In our empty room, you probably hear echo. It's pretty big. And got some speakers that we could have donated to the church. But nobody wanted to come pick them up, so they go into the dumpster. And here's our garage. Finally cleaning out. And this was our screen printing section. And so our screen printing machine right now is worth, I think, about $8,000 even used. Right there. And some of the shirts that we done over the years for clubs, churches, all kind of stuff. What y'all know about that?
This is our final goodbye to all of the items that we did not want while we leave our home. I'm kind of choked up because I'm leaving and all my things are gone. This is it. Say goodbye to it.
Well, timers now, baby.
He's locking it down so it won't go nowhere. I guess Rich doing his happy dance. Saying bye to the house. Not yet.
Bye to the house too.
Oh, he's covering it. I missed that. Thank you. Bye-bye. Don't come back. Come back.
Now we can start our journey of full time, bringing you people on all adventures with us. We are so ready.
Not only if I hit record.
Girl. We're getting there, almost. Okay, we are done. Kate and I are officially full time. This is our garage, cleaned out. Well, the new owner said they don't worry about everything, but we still have a daughter that's gonna be here for 1 week, and there's the other bike, Sassy Red. Oh man, yeah, we're a little teary-eyed today, but it's the life we want to live. We're going full time on the road, and see you guys out there. 5:30 a.m. That's Big Easy, Patches, JetBlue, and Bubbles. Cake and I final farewell to our house. Well, it was a good run. Here she come out now. 5:30 a.m. Today is trash day. And we're about to start our next chapter for the next, what we say, 5 years, 2.5 to 5 years. Look at her with her helmet light up. We all set and ready to roll. Back at it. Well, the car there is our daughter. We still have a daughter that's going to be here for 1 week. And they all set ready to move out too. Okay, after seeing that video, you know what we're talking about. Are we homeless? No.
No.
We are officially houseless.
Mortgageless.
Yeah. Mortgageless. I like that. Okay. Yeah, we're official mortgageless. We absolutely love what we're doing. We love being on the road, traveling the country, seeing the beautiful sights, meeting people, going to rallies, going to meetups, events. This is what we love doing.
And again, not just traveling the country, traveling the country on our Goldwings. I became excited about the motorcycles.
Yes, if you want motorcycle longevity, y'all got to get a Goldwing. I'm just telling you. I'm just saying. You got to get a Goldwing.
Come on over.
But a lot of things we hear also is people saying, oh, you guys are living your dream. Nope.
Nope.
Nope. Our dreams are to be billionaires. But we used to have a saying that we say, and I'm not telling you not to go for your dreams, but I was saying it used to be dreams are for people that sleep. Wake up, make a plan, and go do it. Because nowhere years ago when we were younger, we didn't think, okay, our dream is to go out and live our life
on a motorcycle.
On a motorcycle. It just happened to be something that we actually absolutely love. Now, if you have any questions for us after watching that video, go down and put it in the comment section. We'll answer as many as we can, or actually all of them if they're not too personal. Yeah, that's all we have for now. So if you ever think about going full-time on the road, don't dream it, plan it, and do it. Plan, budget, and go.
That's it.
But if y'all riding, remember, ride long, ride hard, ride strong, and most importantly,
ride safe.
From Boots and Jeans Riders, I'm Rich.
And I'm Cake, not a snake.
And we out.
We out.
Peace. Go live that life, y'all.